Hello, welcome to theprofitroom.com. My name is Ernest. I'm one of the team members here. Just want to do something in the afternoon, show you how we could day trade some options based off of technicals. If we look here in the top corner, we know that, listen, Facebook has been going like crazy today. I threw up the options chain a little bit. So we look at some of the prices that we have here for the 185 contracts. I'm only looking for like a day move. You know, the delta isn't that high. Look at the 182s, a little bit more expensive, but the whole reason behind it, you know, we're really trying to catch some decent moves on here. So what we're going to do, we're going to start buying some contracts here and look for some good movements. You see, the higher, you know, you're in the money, the delta is higher, but we made our money already trading earlier this particular contract. So what we want to do is just start buying just a little bit at a time, see what happens, because we're anticipating a stronger move even higher here on Facebook. So even though the delta isn't there, this allows us to actually purchase and anticipate a higher movement. So we see that we're starting to get filled here on this market value, what this says here, about $810, give or take. So it's actually lunchtime, chop time in the market, and we're going to get some fluctuations, especially when you see it right here. You're definitely going to get some fluctuations in here, but we want to actually, you know, get some nice size in this as well. So market value about $1,650, give or take. We starting to move now. Reason why we purchasing this is because it's a technical breakout, right? We can anticipate the market going even higher with Facebook, and that's the keys about the technical. So yes, if we got a higher delta, probably move a little bit faster, but our key in any type of movement like this, trying to make some good returns. Sometimes it doesn't happen as fast, right? But when you're looking at the technical aspect of the trade, we are anticipating where it can go based off of the candlestick analysis. Now this chart you may see over here in the corner is not as clear for you to actually see. We're using other charts as well, but we want to see if we can make about a quick 100, 200 bucks controlled, and that's the key. It's a controlled movement. Now the reason why I got in this trade is because of a breakout, an anticipated move, and let's just see what happens on this trade. Nice little lunchtime movement. What are we going to look for? Something like this. This is nice. See? Moving up even more. This is nice. This is very nice. Some 185s up there. Let's try to see if we can sell some here. Put some sell orders out there. See if we get tagged on some of these. See, I'm not the fastest options trader. Nowhere near the fastest. So we got some orders sitting down there, 85, 90. It's been very, very volatile, right? Of course, you know, you don't want to be market ordering out. You may miss it. But I would just set some orders here. Maybe I set 2. I already got tagged on there. Got about 8 or so left. But that's the thing, it's fluctuating. So at one point, what do we have? Close to maybe, I don't know, 150, 160, something like that. I'm just not that fast enough to actually get out that quick, but it's all about that pattern recognition. You know, that's the reason why I got in the trade in the first place. Got about 3 left. Spread some out here. Some of our students even faster when they deal with it. So make sure I got enough here. So all our orders is out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got about 8 orders right here. And hopefully we get another push, like a strong push. We get that nice strong push, we'll get taken out of the trade and make some decent money. So far we're up 6-7%. What we see right here, haven't been in the trade maybe what 10 minutes with this video, if that. But at one time we got that nice spike, and I'm anticipating a nice spike again, so we can exit out of this trade. Just give it some time. Now, ideally, if you got in this trade and you got $100, that's great. That's good money in order to take out of a trade like this. Very, very good money. But we've seen already that it gave a nice little push, and being optimistic, hopefully we get another little push back up here. See, it's fighting this 184. What did it go to before? Yeah, it went to like 184.30 real fast. So maybe we could test that, what we call testing that tail again, to get taken out. Now, I'm not very aggressive with this, right? Some individuals may be aggressive. This is like a lunchtime trade. We like to call this like lunch money in that sense, all based off of the technical breakout. Is fighting right there. We have some, looking at another computer as well, we have some resistance right here on that 184. We could push above that 184. That'd be good. Right above this 184. You just got to get back above that. If you look up here in the top right corner, it's fighting it. There's a moving average that's right here. That's significant. I'm not looking at the broader market right now to see what that is doing, but it is a little bit of a battle going on right now for that push. Geez, we might have missed our push, guys. We might have missed our push. So what is our risk management strategy on something like this? I'm willing to lose on something like this, maybe $100 to make 200, something like that, right? A 1-to-2 ratio. But I still do believe in the trade. You know, normally making these videos, talking at the same time, you know, I missed my exit and I didn't want to market out an order out of this trade, which probably still would have been pretty good. But I want to see it play out and show you guys with the technicals how it actually works. So fortunately, we did get tagged some to get out. You know, we got tagged with 2 contracts out of the 10, and we'll see how the rest works out here. Geez, this pullback. The resistance is real. Come on, let's get out of this channel. That's a significant drop from 184 down here to 183.70. But it is Facebook. It is an expensive stock, so you can expect something like that. If this thing drops below 183.50, I don't want to have nothing to do with this trade anymore. I believe in this trade, so I may add my 2 contracts back that I actually lost, that I booked profits on. More advanced technique I'm looking at right now. So right around here, I bought 2 contracts, the one I sold, so now I have back a total of 10. Now the reason why I bought that, because I bought at support. I did not buy to double down. I bought at support because I'm anticipating the push back higher. So it's like more of an average when you average in like that. So I still have my orders set to take us out, right? We got the 185s, the 190s. I don't see anything really changing with that so far. Now I'm watching what the market is telling me. Remember, I'm watching what the market is telling me. So we're going to pause this video for a minute, and we'll just come back, see once we get above the 184, because this time is just ticking away, but we're seeing about to push very, very soon. So we're back. A little bit of a roller coaster, but try to stay controlled. You see we're back above 184 with this. Watching these prices right here move. Hopefully we can get a nice strong push like we did the last time. So these are excellent profits right here, guys. 173, you know, we see that 180. I'm gonna do it once again. I'm gonna do it here. I'm gonna sell some. Here we go. So we're starting to get filled, guys, about 12%. I don't know if we get these 90s, 87s, but you know, this is some good money right here. This is very, very, very good money that we're dealing with right now. Can we get that strong push? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Here we go. So we just got this last run at 14%, guys. 14%. This nice controlled trade, day trading options.